So let's get this Gorgias integration going. We're going to Store Settings, Integrations, Gorgias Settings, Edit. We're gonna need the base API URL, a username, which is your email address, and the API key. Going into Gorgias, we're gonna go in the menu here to Settings and to REST API. And we're gonna get the base API URL, copy this and paste it here. The username, which is your email address, copying it and pasting it in Omniconvert Reveal, and then the API key. We're gonna create a new API key and we're gonna copy this and paste it in Omniconvert Reveal. And we're gonna save. That's it. The integration is now done. All we have to do is set up the triggers for the tickets. For this, we're gonna go in the MPS alerts. In the MPS alerts section, we can add a new condition and decide for which customers and which MPS scores would we like to have tickets created in Gorgias. We're gonna select the RFM group of our liking, and I'm gonna select soulmates, lovers, and new passions. These are the groups that I'm mostly interested in, and I suggest you consider first of all the volume that your customer support representatives have before sending tickets for all of your customers. So if you know they have a high volume, then we recommend just addressing the most important RFM groups objections, just to make sure your support team manages to reach out to the most important customers in real time. So I've selected these 3 RFM groups and I'm gonna save them. And let's say I want to send tickets just for detractors for the post-delivery MPS. So I'm gonna select scores from 0 to 6 including. I'm gonna save this. And I'm gonna include RFM group tags and MPS group tags. I'm gonna select to send tickets for MPS responses from last 7 days. And for the provider, I'm gonna choose Gorgias. I'm gonna just decide on a name for this set of conditions, and I'm gonna say detractors, high importance. And I'm gonna save it. Please keep in mind it would take up to 24 hours for the first tickets from the last 7 days to appear to show up in Gorgias. And after that, you will be seeing tickets in real time. So basically, when a customer submits the answer to the MPS, a ticket will be created in Gorgias, assuming that all these conditions are met. Now, let's imagine 24 hours passed and let's see what happens in Gorgias. So your support team will be receiving these tickets where they will have information about the RFM group of the customer's name, the email address, the products ordered, the type of MPS, is it pre or post delivery, as well as any answer that the customer provided besides the score. Now, very important is to keep in mind is that if your support team replies to this as replying to a ticket, the customer will be seeing all these details, and that's not something that we'd really want. So our suggestion is your support team to use this as information and just create a new ticket, reaching out to the customer and finding out more details about the issue and offering support.